Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your lawn with Scott's products, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, identify the type of grass in your lawn. This will help you choose the right Scott's products tailored to your grass type. Next, assess the current condition of your lawn. Look for signs of weeds, discoloration, or bare patches. Determine the best time of year to treat your lawn based on your local climate. For most areas, early spring and early fall are ideal for lawn care. Start with a thorough mowing of your lawn to an appropriate height for your grass type. This allows better penetration of nutrients and treatments. Once mowed, use a rake to remove any debris, leaves, or thatch buildup. It's important to create a clean surface for treatment applications. Next, consider applying a pre-emergent herbicide from the Scott's product line. This will help prevent weeds from germinating in your lawn. Follow the instructions on the product label carefully for the best results. After applying the herbicide, consider using Scott's fertilizer. Fertilizer will provide essential nutrients to promote healthy growth. Choose a fertilizer designed for your grass type and current lawn conditions. Use a spreader for even distribution of the fertilizer across your lawn. Water your lawn after applying fertilizer to help it absorb the nutrients. Check local weather forecasts to avoid applying during heavy rain. Next, inspect your lawn for any existing weeds. For any visible weeds, use a targeted post-emergent herbicide from Scott's. Follow the label carefully to ensure effective weed control. If you notice bare patches, consider overseeding those areas. Choose a Scott's grass seed that matches your existing lawn type. Once overseeding, lightly rake the area to ensure good seed-to-soil contact. Water the newly seeded areas regularly to encourage germination. Make sure to adjust your watering schedule based on weather conditions. After your lawn establishes, maintain a regular mowing schedule. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.